Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told when 6 times the number y is subtracted from 15, the result is 33. We're asked what number results when 3 times y is added to 19. So we have to turn this sentence and this sentence into a mathematical equation. So when 6 times the number y, so 6y, is subtracted from 15, so this does not mean 6y minus 15, this is the thing that's being subtracted. So we have 15 minus 6y. The result is 33. So this is equal to 33. And then we're looking for the number that results when 3 times y, so 3y, is added to 19, plus 19. So we solve this equation and then plug in our value of y into this expression. So the first thing we can do is subtract 15 from both sides. We have negative 6y is equal to 33 minus 15, which is 18. Divide by negative 6. These cancel. We've now gotten y on our own, which is what we wanted, is equal to 18 divided by negative 6, which is negative 3. Now we have our value of y. We can plug it into this expression. So we're going to have 3 times y becomes 3 times negative 3, plus 19 is equal to 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 plus 19. Negative 9 plus 19 is 10. This is your final answer, and it's going to give you C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.